Instead of using a single screen for everything, I would actually recommend using two different screens. For example, let's select a radio menu for this screen to display. But you also have the second screen, which most people use just to display an instrument cluster. But I recommend using this second screen to display something else. On the left side of the steering wheel, you have controls for the instrument cluster display. Let's hit the home button on that left side and it will bring you all the menus that you can change. There is a touch button in the middle that you can swipe left and right, and you can also touch to enter. So let's swipe to the left to change the menu on the screen. And keep going until you see the navigation menu. Once you select the navigation menu, you have to swipe the touch button up or down in order to go to its sub-menu. And keep swiping until you see the sub-menu called Display. Once you see the display, touch the touch button to enter it. And bam! Now you have a full screen navigation displayed on your instrument cluster, which is a lot more useful than whatever you're using right now in your car. You can swipe a touch button left and right to zoom in and zoom out as close as you like. Still, you can see the speedometer's digital speed and your gas tank is still there. In addition, you can clearly see your transmission information, time and temperature. So basically, you can see everything, but at the same time you're displaying the navigation into the full screen. This way, you don't need to use your multimedia screen, constantly switching to navigation. Let me drive a little, just to show you how beautiful it is to have the two separate screens. One displays the radio, or you can display anything you want, and another screen displays navigation. Two main screens displaying important information at the same time. Beautiful!
Wow!